Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion and I'm going to show you how to set up the fingerprint. At first you need to open the settings. Here, now scroll down till you see here the security and privacy tab. Select it, and now here, scroll down. Here, device unlock, tap it. As you can see, we've got here screen lock. At first we need to have this screen lock set up. So as you can see, here we've got none, swipe, and this option, these both options are out of consideration. We need to set up either pattern or PIN or of course password. Password is the highest security option because here we have numbers, special marks, and letters. Here we've got only numbers, and here we've got the pattern. So I will set the pattern. Next, here, confirm, and now we have our pattern set. Here we have some settings where you can just adjust them up to your own needs. And now, as you can see, we have face and fingerprint unlock. Tap it, confirm your pattern, and select fingerprint. Set up, and now this is the sensor. Doesn't hold the sensor to scan it. As you can see, touch and left, touch and left. Here we've got the progress bar, but as you can see, we need to have the placement different from time to time, which makes it somehow difficult, but as you can see, we need to do whole square. And now we have it done. Let's hit done button over here, close our phone, scan it. It's done, and that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.